Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my hearts here in Sault Sainte, Michigan at Joseph K. Lumsden Bahweting Anishnabe School. And it was an incredible day. I was here pretty much the entire day, but I ended up doing grades K through 8, 3 separate presentations, and the whole focus was on anti-bullying, but more importantly, seeing someone for their heart before anything first. Our heart is big as our fist, but if we let love and peace come in here fully, we turn it into this, into peace. And we also make it a conscious effort to see people for what the shirt says here: one race human. We see everybody as human beings before anything else, no matter how they're born, whether they look different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different. We still show them that same kindness and empathy that we'd even show our best friend, right? See them for what's on the inside, because that's truly what counts. It was an emotional day too. There were some tears. Just, some youth that are in pain and have had different things happen, different loss, just times in their life where they might have been bullied themselves, but they saw the path that no matter what we go through, we always have a choice to still show that respect and that compassion to everybody around us, no matter who they are or whatever their background is too. And then being the home of the Eagles, they actually have a class here that's devoted to helping students, that they see anybody in need that may need a friend, may need some extra love and support. These student leaders go out of their way to do that. And with an awesome motto talking about how, a lot of people are the eagles, but then they become their wings to help them soar, help them rise, that we all have that potential to impact a life, and it just takes 2 seconds. You guys touch my heart. I hope to come back again soon to share with all of you again. Keep spreading the peace, keep spreading the love. Never forget that we're all miracles, like the M etched on all of our palms, right? Upside down for worthy, and then that M for miracle, also for Michigan. But again, you guys are beautiful. Never forget that. Touch my heart. Keep sharing your heart. You guys are gifts. Peace.